everyone. Good morning, sir. This reflection is all about application layer functionality and protocols. An application layer is an abstraction layer that specifies the shared communication protocols and interface methods used by hosts in the communication network. The application layer abstraction is used in both our standards model of computer networking. The Internet Protocol suite TCP or IP and the OSI model. Application layer is the highest level of open systems, providing services directly for the application process. It allows users to access, retrieve, and manage files in a remote computer. It provides the basis for email forwarding and storage facilities. Although the TCP/IP protocol suite was developed prior to the definition of the OSI model. The functionality of the TCP/IP application layer protocols fit roughly into the framework of the top of the three layers of the OSI model: application, presentation, and session layer. The presentation layer has three primary functions: coding and conversation of application layer data to ensure that data from the source device can be interpreted by the appropriate application on the destination device. Compression of the data in a manner that can be decompressed by the destination device. Encryption of the data for transmission and the decryption of data upon receipt by the destination. The session layer. As the name of the session layer implies, function of this layer create and maintain dialogues between source and the destination applications. The session layer handles the exchange of the information to initiate dialogues, keep them active, and to restart sessions that are disrupted or idle for a long period of time. The application layer only standardizes communication and depends upon the underlying transport layer protocols to establish host to host data transfer channels and manage the data exchange in a client, server, or peer to peer network model. For a network professionals, it is important to know how an application is able to format, transmit, and interpret messages that are sent and received across the network. In this chapter, you will learn to describe how the functions of the three upper OSI model layers provide network services and end user applications. Describe how the TCP/IP application layer protocols provides the services specified by the upper layers of the OSI model. Define how people use the application layer to communicate across the information network.